Good morning, everyone. Astoma Sadgamay, Tamsoma Jyotirgamay, Mrityurma Amritam Gamay. This beautiful Sanskrit sloka means lead me from untruth to truth, from darkness to light, and from mortality to immortality. This book perfectly reflects the essence of research. A journey from curiosity to discovery, from questions to knowledge. I am Ambuj, founder of Being Researcher and coordinator of today's webinar. On the behalf of Being Researcher, in collaboration with SIRS, Society for Information Research and Studies, I warmly welcome all participants to today's session. Research for beginners from curiosity to discovery. Let me brief introduction about Being Researcher. Being Researcher is not just a name of initiative, it represents a mission and vision. Our aim to empower researchers through expert-led workshops, research guidance, capacity building programs. Our foundation is built on the principle of think, T-H-I-N-K, think, theorizing, hypothesizing, investigating new knowledge. Now let's understand why initiative like this important. It's very important. According to the Global Index 2024, Innovation Index 2024, India ranks 39th in the world. Reports like Economic Survey 2023 for India Skill Report 2023 shows only 51% of graduates are employable. The Simago General Ranking highlights that while India produces more research papers, our global impact and citations remains very low. As per AISHE 2021, out of 4.1 crore students, only about 2.1 lakhs are enrolled in PhD program. India's R&D expenditure is just 0.7% of GDP, while which is very quite low. And importantly, many startups failed due to lack of proper research and validation. Being Researcher was started with the clear purpose to change this picture and contribute towards a stronger research culture in India and the world. We are also planning to launch a series of programs and structured courses to support learners at every stage.